Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can download Grand Theft Auto Vice City on your computer, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'll show you how easy it is to download GTA Vice City on your computer on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So first of all, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for steamcommunity.com, and here you're going to log in your account, and once you're done logging in like I am, then you're going to click onto store here. And here you're going to search for Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Here it is. Now you're going to put in your date of birth here. Make sure you're over the age of 18. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on add to cart right here. Or you're going to click on package info here. And then click on add to cart here. Then when you click on add to cart, you'll have downloaded Grand Theft Auto 3, Grand Theft Auto Vice City and Grand Theft Auto San Andreas on your computer. So there you have it, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.